got enough time to sort out all the facts.
Hi guys, thank you for stopping by. My name is Satini. If you like the content on this channel, please feel free to subscribe, to like, to share and to leave a comment. Today I just want to do a quick video about dry skin. So when I came across this product and I bought it, and the way my skin reacted to this product, the way my skin fell in love with this product, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna sit down and share this with you. This is not sponsored. This is basically me giving you an experience of how my skin reacted from using this product. So I have very dry skin. From when I was a child, I had very dry skin. Like if it was winter's time, I literally looked like I had been dipped in a bag of flour. That's how dry my skin looked. And growing up, my mom always tried to find ways to try and help, you know, moisturize my skin. And even on my legs, you can actually see scorches from where my skin was breaking because of being dry. And no matter what fancy lotion my mom tried, my skin never just repelled moisture. My skin was just dry as F. But my mom discovered Dettol Vaseline. So it's a Vaseline but a Dettol brand, but it had this very strong Dettol smell. So I went around smelling like Dettol when I was growing up, but it worked really well for my skin and it actually moisturized my skin. But as I grew older, I didn't want to go around smelling like Dettol, and I wanted to try products that would leave me smelling nice but still feeling moisturized as well. And I tried a wide variety of products and I never really got something that my skin, you know, bonded with until I tried the Aveeno. When the thing that I noticed after I used it for the first time is that my skin felt soft and moisturized. Even the next day I would feel that my skin was still soft and moisturized, which I never actually found with other products. The only downside I would say to the Aveeno product, it does have a very strong oatmeal smell. I don't know what's with me and smelling products, but it has a very strong oatmeal smell. So I go around smelling like breakfast basically. But after I do my shower routine, I lather this on my skin and my skin loves it. I do have to mention as well that I did introduce something else into my skincare routine that I feel has helped lock in the moisture. I don't know if this is just for my skin, so I advise that you do try it out on your skin as well, and then let me know how it goes. But what I've started to do, I will shower the night before and then I will not shower the next morning. I will shower the evening of that morning. So I'm not stripping my skin of all the moisture all the time. So usually when I go to bed, I will shower, and then when I wake up in the morning, I will then put on the Aveeno moisturizing cream, and then I'll basically put it on my dry skin because I would not have showered. So yes, like if I'm on my monthly periods, I will shower every morning, but if I'm not going anywhere and just at home, I will freshen up in the morning and then put on the moisturizing cream, and then I will shower at night. I feel like this really works on my skin, and my skin feels moisturized and it feels soft. So definitely, if you have super dry skin like me, I would definitely and highly suggest that you try out the Aveeno cream if you want your smile to be luxurious and feeling soft. Beware, you will be smelling like oatmeal, you will be smelling like breakfast, but at the end of the day, you have silky, soft skin. So thank you for stopping by, guys, and that is the end of today's video, and I hope that you like this one, and I hope you will subscribe.